How to log into Credit Karma app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Credit Karma app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to log into your Credit Karma app, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can create a new account easily by tapping on the sign up option. Once you create your account, in order to log in, tap on this login button. Now you will be prompted to this login page. Over here, you will need to enter your email address first. You can even enter your username. Provide the email address that you used to create your account before. After that, right below that, you can enter the password of your registered account. Once you enter your account credentials, you can simply tap on this login button. And that's how you can easily log into your account in Credit Karma app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.